as the production of construction machinery. With China high-end intelligent hardcore stress, it will help Pakistan speed up infrastructure, construction and accelerate the industrialization process, and consolidate the solid foundation for connectivity and industrial synergy between the two countries. During the President's visit to China, President Zardari made a special trip to Hunan to visit Sanya's global headquarters, deeply understand the enterprise intelligent manufacturing stress and high-end equipment research and development achievement, and highly recognize Sanya's industry-leading technology and the whole industry chain service ability, and gave important instruction on deepening China-Pakistan equipment manufacturing cooperation. Today's signing is an important achievement of President Zardari's visit to China and his visit to Hunan. It's a rapid learning and practical practice promoted by the high-level officials of the two countries, and fully demonstrates the firm determination of China-Pakistan cooperation to the efficient, pragmatic and work together. Let's welcome Senator Salim Mandvivala, representative of Al Hassan Trade Establishment, Mr. Li Qing, Vice President of Sanya Group, Chairman of Sanya Overseas Director of Business Department, Mr. Hao Zhaolong, Chairman of Hainan International Technology Company. On the stage and the sun. Congratulations for signing the MOU. So the second is the agreement was signed between the government of Sindh, Institute Animal Health and the Modern Biology Group. In this cooperation, they will rely on the platform of the localized production mode to carry out the production and the supply of foot and mouth disease concentrated vaccine, imported concentrated vaccine stock solution from Sindh, carry out personal capability building in the fields of animal vaccine production, and also the disease diagnosis and monitoring system. We will deepen the integration of resources and lay a solid foundation for China-Pakistan cooperation in agriculture and people livelihood. So now, welcome Mr. Shaji Inam Memo, Senior Minister for Information and Transport, Government of Sindh, and also Mr. Wang Shanpu, Chairman of Modern Biology Group, come on the stage. Congratulations for the cooperation. The third MOU is signed between the Zia Arting Hospital and the Shenzhen Weibang Technology Company. In this cooperation, the two parties will take advantage of the open up advantage of Hainan Free Trade Zone and the opportunity of CPEC to build a cooperation mode of product plus service plus solution in the fields of innovative application of medical intelligent robots in the clinical medicine, so as to facilitate the construction of Pakistan medical and health system. Now let's welcome Mr. Anup, representative from Dr. Zia Arting Hospital, Mr. Deng Haitao, the director of Shenzhen Weibang Technology Company, come to the stage and stand. Congratulations to the Sanya. Ladies and gentlemen, a paper contract sets out the mission and goes on a new journey together. Just now, under the witness of His Excellency President Zardari, 3 major cooperation projects have been successfully signed, covering 3 key areas: agriculture and animal husbandry technology, high-end equipment manufacturing and medical industry. Those cooperations include both the achievement of the last President's visit to China and the efficient cooperation from the President's visit to Hunan, the signing of the MOU in Sanya. They are not only meet the needs of the development of the 2 countries, but also conform to the general trend of the cooperation. They are not only the fruitful result of China-Pakistan practical cooperation, but also the living witness of the 2 countries' strong friendship. Thanks again to His Excellency the President for your time and gracing the occasion. May the friendship between China and Pakistan endure forever. Wish all the distinguished guests good health and every success. Thank you all.